Hello everybody, welcome to new session from BorseClub. Today I will talk about TRX based on our friends' requirements. They asked me for analysis for TRX, so I will do my best to provide the best scenarios for this currency. First of all, I'm sorry that I was away for a long time just to record English videos, and from today on I will start to be active again. So this is TRX. I will talk only about TRX, and maybe I will move to Bitcoin a little bit. All right, so TRX, if we go to daily basis, we can see it's obvious. 1 2 3. We started with the 1 2 3 because we know that it's ambiguous wave, which means that it should be a direct or a directive direction wave. It started almost from 0 Satoshi, so it's 1 2, and this is the biggest one or the longest one, which is 3. Then we start the correction. Okay, correction, everybody agrees that it took long time, but because the second one is very short. Usually in Elliott, if the second correction wave is very small, so the fourth correction wave will be so huge. That's what we observe from many trades. So let's see this. If we go to 4 hours trade, 4 hours time frame, so as we say, this is 1, and it should be like this one because it's a master. So this is, and this is 2. It's A, B, C, so this is 2. And this is 3. If we close this, so it's 1 2 3. So it's 1 2 3, and here if we go and do it a little bit like this, so this is 1 2 3 4 5. So all of this one is only wave number 3. Yes. Okay. So it should be 3. Alright, now 4 is very big one. Why? Because you can see that 3 is very small, 4 should be very huge, but actually I was shocked when I saw it, like it's very huge. So when we can say the correction is over, if we see here, this is A, B, C. See, it's A, B, C. So this one from here to here, it's only A, which means the first leg down to toward because wave number 4 should contain WXY or ABC. So let's call it A here. Then later on we will check if it's correct. It's ABC or WXY. This is A. Then this is ABC. So this is B. This is B, C, S. C is the biggest one. Actually, it's not the biggest one, but it's the long one. It was in consolidation for a long way. But in order to say that the correction is over, we should make sure that the bottom of A is broken. What I say, what I mean is, here it's the lowest price of A. So C should at least break it within even 1 Satoshi, it will be fine. Because if we draw it, ABC, it's like this. This is A, and this is B, and this should be C. So this is the combination of the simple correction wave. I'm not going to enter the small details of this wave because it's actually huge. Like, for example, see, it's ABC, then ABC, ABC, then ABC. So it's 5 3 waves. I'm not going to enter this one. because I'm sure not everybody needs this details, but they need the result at the end. So from what I can see at this moment, now the price break below a lowest price, so the minimum target has been done, which means that at any time we can see wave 5 started already. Like for example, if we say like wave 4 is end here, so this means wave 5 should start to be created, and the target is breaking this top. This is the main objective of wave 5. Now let's go a little bit details and take some classic waves, classic indicators, in order just to understand when we can say it's 100% over, or at least 90% is over. Alright, now this is 4 hours. Usually 4 hours is very strong indicators time frame. Now if you take a look at this, this is very positive by candle, and this is hangout candle. These two are very positive, which means that the first price action is already done for wave 5, or to give the power for wave 5 to start. This is the first indicator. Second one, it's already a very strong area to buy again. You can see that here, 1 time, 2 times, trying to push it up. And as a Elliott, as we said, that the minimum target is done. Now RSI is moving like it's curving up, so I think it's the first indicator to say it's going up. Now if we go to daily or 12 hours, let's say 12 hours. 12 hours as indicator, it's also fine. Why? Because MACD, it's still not very bearish one. It could turn bullish anytime because the volume is very low. You can see that the volume always at the almost zero balance. Now this is 1, 2, RSI is almost 38, which means that at any time it can just curve and move up. This is on 12 hours. Daily, same, but the difference is, it seems to me that the MACD starts to move bullish again, which will be very good to let the price shoot up. Let's go to 4 hours and see one more thing. Now, when we can say that it's confirmed to buy again TRX, let's take this trend line. This is normal trend line, but for sure if you take it from above, it will be so messy in order to analyze this one. But it's this trend line, it's very obvious, very strong one. Why? Because since almost 1 month the price is below this trend line. So anytime just to break above this one, above this price, this is a confirmation to saying that okay, it's now time to buy again TRX, because it will move very, very fast. So what I can imagine at this moment, that it should do this, testing this trend line. Let's give this analysis and see how it will move, if it's correct or not. So, and another arrow. So this will be 1, or you can for sure it will be from here. So this is 1, 2, 3. It should be very strong one. It will break above this one for sure, because it should be longer than this. Then let's say it will be like this. Then it will re-support again. It will have another support between this area and this area. So it will do this. then wave 5 will be smaller than 3. All of this from here to here, it's wave 1 out of 5. So if you want to draw it in like for big scale, so this from here to here, it's wave 1. Then it will do 3 waves like this. I'm just drawing just to show you that it will not move so quick. Then so from here to here it contains 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 means it's 1. Then 3 wave down, which means wave 2 out of 5. Then it will move wave 3 out of 5, then 4, then 5. At this, when it's all finished, we can say it's the first wave for TRX. So we're still at the beginning of the road toward like the biggest target for how to say to TRX. So if you want to buy again TRX, my suggestion is just to wait 489 to be like break, or like once you see that the price is testing this, just remove this one so it will be much better for you. One, test this trend line, then move and test this area, this support area. At this point you can buy. So move up, retest again, buy, or just to break above this one, buy. So you have 2 scenarios at this moment how to buy TRX. And I hope for everyone who bought TRX since long time that they still hold it, because if they bought it from 700, this will be second target for us. If they bought it from 500, it's first target for us. If they bought it already from like 2000, they have to wait a little bit, but the target can be achieved in this year. This is all what I have for now, and I hope you will like this video. And if you have any questions, just type it below. One more thing, I promised my friend to talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Last video in Arabic, I said this area will bring the Bitcoin toward this trend line, and thanks God today it's happened and moved exactly from 9,400. Now it's like 10,080. Once it's closed now our target is breaking above 11,800. Once that's done, I can say the target for Bitcoin is 22,000 very soon. Again, and I'm sorry for being late to record a video about TRX. If you have any questions, just type it in the comments below, or join us on Telegram, Twitter. You can ask whatever you want. Thank you so much and have a nice evening.